Hello, I'm Sipu, Service Engineer for NFLG Crushing and Screening. Today, we're setting off on another customer service visit. This time to the world's largest archipelago, Indonesia. Come along with us. Unlike our previous visit to Malaysia, Indonesia's dispersed islands and diverse operating conditions demand faster service response and stronger spare parts support. Behind me are two-track mobile crushing plants that have been in operation for more than 2 years. The hydraulic components and engines have proven exceptionally reliable. Even after 2 years of operation, the jaw plates and cone liners have yet to be replaced. Apart from normal wear on consumable parts, such as conveyor belts and scrapers, both machines continue to perform in excellent condition. Hello again. We've just completed inspections on 11 machines at this site. The fleet ranges from brand new units to machines with more than 12,000 operating hours. Over 4 days, we inspected every machine in detail, identified, eliminated hidden issues, and provided practical recommendations to optimize performance under the site's actual operating conditions. Small issues may seem insignificant, but in continuous production, they can have a major impact on productivity and profitability. That's where service creates value, by identifying potential problems before they become costly downtime. Our visit to Indonesia may be coming to an end, but our closed-loop care journey continues. We'll see you at the next site.